ba tayo dyan?
Nalove ko yan si Ma'am Roda. Always ready to help. Ito na, partner. Roland Tuyogon, naka-black and yellow trunks. Itong si Ariel Antonio wearing the pink trunks.
Partner, pa-shoutout sa Alasa promotion dyan sa Compostela Valley. Compostela Davao de Oro, Coach Jovi Obeda. Mga kaibigan din natin yan. Ang mga fighter niya sila Richard Garde.
Yes.
So hopefully may mga inaayos rin kami dyan na laban. Hopefully mag-materialize sa May. Pero may promotion yata sila ng March 7. So supportahan ninyo ang Alas promotion.
Yes. Ito na nga, ano? Dynamic start by both boxers swinging those backhands, ano, partner?
Nandito na tayo sa bloodline ng Tuyogon, partner.
Yes.
Bloodline ng mga matitibay at matitikas.
Roland Tuyogon with 4 wins, 0 loss and 1 draw is from the Bebot Elorde Boxing Stable. Ito namang si Ariel Antonio with 2 wins, 4 losses and 1 draw from Biliran. Yes, Sir Jason Yong from Team Hiraya, Batang Mandirigma. Shout out din po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, Sir PJ Apostol. Maraming salamat po. Yes, prod staff pala si Sir PJ ng Blow by Blow. Wow, maraming salamat po. He's watching with his wife, si Ma'am Babylin Apostol.
Sir PJ, baka kailangan nyo yung tigahawak ng kabilya. Pwede rin kami dyan.
Lahat naman. Ano,
ang hirap ng buhay ngayon, partner.
tayo.
Ang hirap ng buhay ngayon. So,
For sure.
kung anong work ang nakabigay sa atin dyan, tatanggapin natin. Blow by blow pa ba? Tatanggi pa ba ako dyan?
Yes, of course. Thank you so much sa staff ng Blow by Blow for watching us. And yun na nga, no, you know what's more important is for us in the boxing industry to support and help each other.
Partner, baka ulitin ko lang yung sinabi ko kanina. Yung si Boss Benchan, salamat sa
Yes.
suot ko ngayon. From bench. Lahat ng
Yes.
klase ng mall, nandun ang bench.
Of course.
Pumunta kayo.
Oh, there you go. A combination to the body and hand by Roland Tuyogon. Ariel Antonio answers with a hook up top. Pareho sila, partner. Tignan mo, may high guard, ano. And then they explode with either the left or the right hand.
Ronnie Hagonoy, pa-shoutout dyan from Kratos Fitness Center in Baliwag, Bulacan. I'm saying hi, hello to all our friends from Baliwag, Bulacan.
Again, itong si Roland Tuyogon, yung kaliwete natin or southpaw, no? Ariel Antonio is fighting, is the right-handed fighter or orthodox fighter natin.
Both of the fighter is sporting a bright yellow gloves from Fairtex Philippines.
Yes, thank you Fairtex Philippines and all of our sponsors today, Pocari Sweat, Light Water, Box Cafe. Singit na rin ako ng mga sponsors ko. Of course, Greenwich, Crossman Eatery, ikaw partner.
Yes. Nasa Crossman Eatery. Hanggang ngayon, wala pang pinapatikim sa akin. Pero may chop suey ako kanina.
Parang may binigay ako sa iyo, partner.
Pero parang gusto ko yung Pares Mami. Baka mamaya.
Mahirap ipak yun, partner.
Mamaya, dadayo ako dyan sa may
Yes.
Port Estate. Pag medyo malapit lang kayo sa sukat. Ang lapit lang ng Port Estate, ilang hakbang lang.
Definitely.
Andiyan na kayo sa Crossman Eatery. Hanapin nyo lang si Crossman. Makakakuha kayo ng konting discount. Pero kay Ma'am Rica, tingin ko hindi kayo makakakuha ng discount.
Naku, ang baba na ng presyo namin. Kami ang pinakamura sa Fort Estate. So,
Okay, Coach Arnold Machete, thank you for watching. Balik na tayo sa live na laban natin between Ronald Tuyogon and Ariel Antonio.
this is the second round. We've witnessed some huge shots unleashed in the previous rounds, ano. Ariel Antonio has a tendency of stepping in with that straight, ano, with his right foot.
That left sneak in for Tuyogon on that instance.
And he's able to duck those punches and go to the body kay Ariel Antonio.
I think both of the fighters are tailor-made for each other, partner. Both are bangers na talagang trying to get that knockout win.
Ariel Antonio, oo, tama ka dyan, partner. Ariel Antonio, moving in with more combinations. Ito naman, Roland Tuyogon is moving in with combinations. Parang nag-accelerate yung combination niya parate. Pag
Yeah.
tinitignan mo, partner, jab straight, jab straight, jab straight hook.
Tsaka both of them are like mirror image of each other, partner. Na talagang they don't care. They just gonna be banging with each other. Ganyan lang. Yung pure boxing ba, kung tawagin nila.
There you have it, a little, itong
Sino?
si Roland Tuyogon, though, is cerebral, you see him, he's setting up
Yes.
to the up top, and then he goes to the body. Parang mas structured violence, kumbaga. We see him kasi is very aggressive, may power yung suntok niya, but always with a purpose.
Yun naman ang kailangan, partner, na you must have your purpose in throwing that punch, or else talagang nakakapagod din yung punching in the wind, kung tawagin nila.
Tama. And kung pareho kayo magsusuntukan na yung walang
Talaga.
target,
Parang
mauna na
partner,
lang.
Parang may
Oo.
hugot ka, suntukan na.
Hindi, I mean like, yun kasi din yung pag mga sa comment section, they want boxers to engage. Well, you can't engage all the time because pag nangyari yun, dalawa kayo nagsusuntukan, sino na lang ang swerte, yun ang matitira, di ba?
Ano daw ang wish mo sa birthday mo, partner?
Ang wish ko lang lahat tayo maging successful.
Hindi, sa sarili mo.
Hindi, yun talaga. I mean, ako, I am very lucky this year.
Gusto mo ba yung foundation mo medyo mas glittery?
Hindi na, marami na akong foundation So,
Medyo seryoso kayo ng partner ko. Hindi ko alam kung emotional siya. Na ngayon umabot na siya sa 28 years old.
of course.
So,
it's hard to be in your late 20s.
Oo nga,
Charot.
no?
Hindi, ang wish natin, of course, ay maging yung tapatan na.
Sige.
Gusto ko maging bilyonarya. Yun
Yun.
lang naman. Simple lang naman ang kahilingan ko.
Na malapit na no? Kasi milyonarya ka na bilyonarya
No,
malapit.
sana all. Nako. Ang pogi daw nang nasa corner ni Tuyogo na si Coach Jun yata yung sinasabi ni Griffin Romalib.
Jun, Coach Jun.
Sabi ni Daniel Lastrilla, mirror image daw kasi magkamuka.
May pagkapilyo talaga yung isang yung isang comment hindi ko na sasagutin at hindi ko na baka may masaktan pa ako. Dito si attorney Danrex Tapdasan.
Shout out attorney.
Our idol.
Of course, of course.
all idols.
Definitely. Shout out attorney Danrex Tapdasan. Here we go, round 3. Rolando Tuyogon. Roland lang Tuyogon. In the yellow and black trunks, itong si Ariel Antonio, yung naka-pink. Again, Roland Tuyogon.
Is now accelerating his
Definitely.
punches on this round.
Yun partner when he sets that rhythm, it's very steady. It's talagang when he starts off aggressive, he continues on that,
And saka si Tuyogon is somehow the volume puncher pero minsan nag-iiba siya ng complexion, bigla siya naging counter puncher no?
Definitely.
Oo.
So, yun nga, what I like about Tuyogon also is he doesn't waste his energy. Minsan he resets and then he chooses moments to explode.
Sabi ni Dictor Agustin, ang pogi daw ng referee. Huhulaan ko itong yung wag na nga. Actually, belated happy birthday nga pala kay Coach Erickson Asilio.
Yes, happy birthday Coach Erickson.
Hinahangaan natin to
Of course, the coach of
CN
champions.
Lion.
Definitely.
CN partner?
CNE.
CNE.
Oo.
Diyan sa may Sampaloc, no?
Tama.
Oo. Siya yung trainer and owner ni Fajardo.
Yes.
who will be defending his title in Japan. And good luck to everybody, to Team Fajardo and Coach Erickson Asilio.
Yes, good luck to everyone who's fighting abroad and even here in the Philippines.
Buti,
There.
sabi ni Coach, si Rep Saldi, katulong natin sa magusto
Oo, maraming salamat kasi
maraming
we can
salamat.
keep track of all the
Oo.
questions, no? So thank you so much kay Referee Saldi.
May nag-comment, ang tagal daw nung laban, parang January nung last month. Talagang very witty talaga ang mga Pilipino. Pero ako napansin ko, medyo matagal nga.
Oh. There you go,
Yeah.
final 10
Yeah.
seconds of this round.
Yeah.
Again, this is scheduled for 6 rounds, no?
Partner, may follow-up pala eh.
Ano yan?
May follow-up pala kung bakit
Ano yan?
matagal daw yung laban. Itong laban na to, may follow-up.
Mm.
Kasi si referee Alianita daw ang referee.
Grabe kayo kay referee. Muntik na nga siyang matamaan kanina.
Grabe kayo mag-comment kay referee.
Kanina nga medyo nasa line of fire siya eh. Nung suntok nung isang boxer.
Yeah, talagang ano yun. Sabi nga nila, kasama yan sa profession ng isang referee. We are entering round number 4 of this minimum weight contest between Ronald Toyogon of Bebot Elorde Boxing Stable against Ariel Antonio of from Biliran. Again, we are your commentator for this fight card. Alvin Escoff, Real Fight PH, together with my partner Rica Aquino of Baby Dynamite Sports, collectively known as Recalvination.
Yes, thank you partner. Ito na round 4 na tayo. So far, we've seen the systematic aggression of Roland Toyogon against a very game Ariel Antonio partner. No? Si Ariel Antonio, kung anong ibato mo sa kanya, itatry niya namang ibalik sa'yo. Si Referee Al, mas sugid na tinitignan ang... mahirap yan partner, no? We have to... sabi sa'yo, kaya eyes on the ring na lang tayo muna, no? Kasi, baka gusto mo muna nitong pinapahid ko sa ulo, partner, para...
Partner, yung classmate natin, si Oliver Garcia, na hindi makakarating ngayon dahil may shooting.
Nako, shout out sa'yo.
At saka sa mga
Champa, celebrity.
sa mga fans niya na diyan sa parting Masbate, magkakaroon po siya ng 5-day mall tour.
Wow.
Diyan kay Oliver Garcia. Ngayon po referee siya, dati po starstruck siya ng GMA 7.
There you go, 1-2 and then body shots by Roland Toyogon. Yun yung sinasabi natin, partner. When Roland Toyogon always comes in with 5-6 punch combinations, but it's always on target, no?
Shoutout lang kay Coach Jingjing Tepora ng
Yes.
Tepora Boxing Gym. At kamusta na rin kay Champ Jimmy the Phoenix Paipa, who is making a comeback in a boxing scene dito sa atin sa Pilipinas.
A little too low by Ariel Antonio, but it's okay. The fight continues. 1-2. Yung ano talaga, no? Yung kaliwa ni Toyogon, the left straight when it lands, no?
Parang ang dami na nang nangyari sa laban na to. Nasa round 4 pa rin tayo. This is
Sorry, by Toyogon. Sorry. Again, you're watching minimum weights slug it out in UKC New Breed, ano? So ito, alam mo ba, itong si Roland Toyogon, yung kanyang, if I'm not mistaken, father or uncle ba niya si Sir Rolando Toyogon, na former champion natin Tama ba? Former world champion. WBC.
I-anuhin natin yan. Sisiyasatin natin yan.
Na taga-Hingoog din.
Oo. Jovin Malit, a shoutout to from Elorde from Davao. Kamusta kayo dyan? Erok Vargas, Jasper, salamat sa panonood mo.
Ayun. Ay, hindi. WBF pala. World Light Flyweight Champion.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, round number 5 na tayo nitong 105 division contest between Ronald Tuyogan against Ariel Antonio.
There you go. That's what Ariel Antonio should do. Parang once Roland Tuyogon gains momentum, it's hard to intercept him, partner. So, there you go. When he's first, he should do more. And yung paisa-isa lang minsan is a risk Kasi you know that Roland Tuyogon is coming back at you with 3-4 punches, no?
Pero yung durability ng Ariel Antonio is showing wears also. Ito dito sa laban na to
Of
kasi
course,
he did
yes.
absorb tons of good punches from Ronald Tuyogon also.
There you go. That's actually a good thing that Ariel Antonio is making Roland Tuyogon miss, but in the process he should be able to counter also. There you go, right? Like that. Pero Tuyogon was able to evade that. Very tough Ariel Antonio.
Yung mga fighter na katulad ni Ariel Antonio, it is a gauge kung how tough you are. Because I think,
There you go.
Before I said it, he was decked by Tuyogan by that punch.
Body shot. That left hand of Tuyogon.
Medyo na
There you go.
It's a 5th round stoppage win for Ronald Tuyogon.
Congratulations, Roland Tuyogon. Beautiful, masterful work. And congratulations din kay Ariel Antonio who stayed in the fight, who was there, didn't quit. But it's just that Roland Tuyogon is the better boxer today. Ito na, partner. Susunod, taga-Hingoog pa rin. Wesley Caga versus Jesse Dayuno ang susunod. Scheduled for 6 rounds. Abangan ninyo yan. There you have it. Roland Tuyogon, very systematic in his violence, was able to land that beautiful body shot that sent Ariel Antonio down the canvas.
Benita reaches the count of 10 at 2 minutes and 18 seconds of round number 5. We have a winner by knockout, Roland Toriogo.
Ay, sabi ni Sir Joe, ay, ilang bouts na lang ang parang main event ni Palarca. I think
5 minutes.
3 bouts na lang po